What's wrong?
All right, here we go. We got my big bro Joe Rilla. He about to take the cinnamon challenge. All right, so.
Any words you gotta say?
Oh, beast, Tommy.
Oh shit. No.
Don't be scared. Shake. Put that stuff on there.
Shake it like a salt shaker.
Oh shit.
That's it. And what do I do?
Okay.
No
And
hair.
you just put it in your mouth.
I don't need to.
You gotta put it in your mouth and then swallow it. That's what she said. You gotta put it in your mouth and swallow it.
Okay.
Turn off the music. I can't hear.
Damn.
Ooh, this nigga.
Don't cough it up. Take it. Take
About
it.
to be done already.
Ooh. Get off your teeth. Off your teeth.
Ooh, eyes are all red, but you look like you're about to be finished in 2 seconds.
Ooh.
Well, can you clear that mouth of yours? Some kind of carpet munching mouth. Woo! He set a record real quick. We know he up to get your record, my dig. Good shit, good shit.